Chemical symbol of oxygen.
O.
A smallest unit of life.
Cell.
Temperature measured by.
Thermometer.
SI unit of force.
Newton.
Gas used in photosynthesis.
CO2.
Metal liquid at room temperature.
Mercury.
Water.
H2O.
Basic unit of matter.
Atom.
Organ pump blood.
Heart.
Largest planet.
Jupiter.
Acid in lemon.
Citric.
Non-metal is a good conductor of electricity.
Graphite.
Unit of power.
Joule. Watt.
Deficiency of iron cause.
Anemia.
Gas necessary for combustion.
O2.
Outer layer of skin.
Endorphin.
Epidermis.
Epidermis. Speak loudly. Energy source of the sun.
Nuclear.
Disease caused by plasmodium.
Malaria.
Hardest natural substance.
Diamond.
Table salt.
Sodium chloride.
Major earthquake.
Seismograph.
Process of liquid into gas.
Evaporation.
Unit of electric current.
Ampere.
Sound travel fastest train.
Solid.
Protein digestive enzyme.
Pepsin.
Cube of 2. Cube of 2.
Eight.
Square root of 144.
12.
Value of pi.
22.7.
Smallest prime number.
2.
Longest chord in a circle.
Diameter.
Number of sides in a hexagon.
6.
Sum of all angle in a triangle.
180 degree.
Parameter square.
Parameter of a square. 2 f 12. L plus B. 4a.
Cube of 3.
AQ.
Cube of 3. 27. 3 multiply
3 multiply
3. Area of rectangle.
L plus B.
L plus B.
2 f 12.
L plus B or L multiply by B.
L multiply.
Probably you are getting ahead when you SC of 10 and 15.
5.
Triangle with all equal sides.
Equilateral triangle.
Value of factorial 5.
120.
A right angle.
90 degree.
1 kilometer equals
1000 meter.
sum of interior angle of quadrilateral.
360.
4 square.
4 square 16.
Percentage of 1 upon 2.
50.
Median of 3, 7 and 9.
7.
Mode of 2, 2 and 3. Mode of 2, 2 and 3.
2.
Simple interest.
PRT upon 100.
Polygon with 8 sides.
Pentagon.
Octagon.
Octagon.
Sorrow of Bengal.
Damodar River.
Founder of Mauryan dynasty.
Chandragupta Maurya.
Speak loudly. Largest state by area.
Rajasthan.
Inventor of telephone.
Graham Bell.
Battle of Plassey fought in.
1757.
Longest river
Nile.
in the world. In India.
Ganga.
Smallest state.
Goa.
Mountain range dividing north and south.
Vindhya.
Vindhya. Speak loudly. Highest peak in India.
Kanchenjunga.
Oldest Veda.
Rigbed.
What described a noun?
Adjective.
A group of words that give a complete sense. That is
Sentence.
who has written Romeo and Juliet.
William Shakespeare.
A word that show action.
Verb.
Plural of ox.
Oxen.
Fear of water.
Hydrophobia.
SI unit of mass.
Kg.
Newton first law of motion.
Inertia.
Energy stored in food.
Chemical energy.
Gas change into liquid.
Condensation.
DNA.
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
RNA.
Ribonucleic acid.
Carry oxygen in blood.
Hemoglobin.
The smallest bone.
Stapes.
Function of chlorophyll.
Photosynthesis.
Instrument to measure blood pressure. Instrument
Sphygmomanometer.
sphygmomanometer. Vitamin D.
Sunlight.
Number of chamber in human heart.
4.
Element making bones strong.
Calcium.
Metal in homoglobin.
Iron.
Non-renewable source of energy.
Coal.
Non-renewable source of energy.
Coal.
Part of cell control. Part of cell control activity.
Nucleus.
Next. Deficiency of iodine cause.
Goiter.
First element in periodic table.
Hydrogen.
Gas used in balloon.
Helium.
SI unit of work.
Joule.
SI unit of frequency.
Hertz.
Lens used in magnifying glass.
Convex.
Force opposed motion.
Friction.
Formula of methane.
CH4.
Organ filter blood.
Kidney.
Process of plant respiration.
Transpiration.
Area of circle.
Pi r square.
Polygon with 5 sides.
Pentagon.
A shape with all sides and angle equal.
Regular.
Neither prime nor composite number.
1.
Volume formula of cube.
A cube.
A number divisible either by 1 or itself.
Prime number.
An equation whether the highest power is 2.
Quadratic.
Additive inverse of 5.
-5.
Formula of speed.
Distance upon time.
Parameter of rectangle.
2L. 2 is to L plus P.
First battle of Panipat. 14.
1526.
Discovery of India written by.
1857.
Discovery of India written by whom?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Longest river.
9.
Discovered America.
Christopher Columbus.
Oldest mountain range.
Aravali.
First Indian into the space.
Rakesh Sharma.
First war of independence.
1857.
Founder of Sikhism.
Guru Nanak Dev.
Parliament of USA.
Congress.
Longest platform.
Gorakhpur.
Land of rising sun.
Japan.
River flow through Egypt.
Nile.
First emperor of China.
Qin Shi Huang.